Hey guys, welcome back to McCarroll 9. Or actually, never mind. Hello everyone, welcome back to Bayside Farms. This evening, I am cutting some pasture. We just finished milking not too long ago. So the cows are starting to trickle out, but we have a couple different pasture fields. Like, you could say 4, you could say 3 for the milk cows. And so I'm cutting this one right now, the biggest of the 3 or 4, whatever you want to say. It's merged together with one that used to be separate. Anyway, tonight, I'm doing this and figured I'd film because I haven't filmed in an extremely long time. But you can also do is some crop updates. So let me swing the camera around here. That yellow off in the distance there, that would be our barley field. Let's see if I can zoom in much. Probably not. There you go. So there's the barley field. It looks like it's probably going to be pretty good. We're hoping anyway. And then we got one of our 2 corn fields right there. We also have 2 other barley fields around the river. So, but all the corn seems to be looking pretty good too. And working with my uncle quite a bit too. On his huge crop farm. He does all our combining and corn planting, as well as spraying. But we did his wheat and here, you know what? Just a second. There you go. And watch some cool stuff while I talk. There you go, guys. You can watch some cool stuff while I talk, instead of just listening to me, staring and listening to me talk about cutting hay. Or everything. Anyway. We did my uncle's wheat. I ran the bucket for that, which is pretty cool. And he got, I believe he said, almost 3 tons to the acre, which is extremely good. And he says that we're in for a really good crop of beans. Now, our farm, the dairy farm here, we don't have any beans planted. We've never planted beans. But my uncle, he's got probably like 800 or more acres of beans, so he's very happy with that. But maybe I'll just shut up here for a little bit. You guys can watch me cut. I'm not gonna cut too much longer before I head in. But without further ado, there you go. this off and bring her back in. So, see ya in the next clip, I guess. Bye-bye.